Chapter 3 Earth Models and Features. Let's learn globes, maps, continents, oceans, and directions. The Earth is very large and spherical in shape like a ball. We can see only a small part of it at a time. How do we find out what it contains and search for places on it? Well, there are two ways, globes and maps. Globes. We cannot see the whole Earth at a time, so we need a model to view the whole of it. This model of the Earth is called a globe. A globe shows the political and physical features of the Earth. When we observe a globe, we notice that the Earth is round in shape, but it is slightly flattened at both the poles and tilted on its axis. On the globe, we get to see the imaginary lines like the equator, in the center, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle, and the Antarctic Circle. The horizontal lines present on the globe at various degrees are called latitudes, and the vertical ones are called longitudes. On the globe, blue-colored areas are water bodies and the other colored areas are land masses with various landforms. Land covers about 30% of the Earth's surface area. Brain tickler. Why are globes tilted? Info Hive. The oldest known globe was made more than 2100 years ago by Crates of Malice, a Greek philosopher and geographer who lived in what is today's Turkey. Maps. We use maps to show or represent different landforms and areas of the Earth. A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, political divisions, cities, roads, etc. on a piece of paper. It can be big or small in size. We can also hang a map on a wall. This is known as a wall map. Info Hive. A book of maps is called an atlas. Brain tickler. What is the art and science of making maps called continents? The main, huge and continuous landmass is called a continent. There are 7 continents. They were Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and the smallest continent, Australia. Continents are usually divided into several countries. India is a part of the largest continent, Asia.
Brain tickler. Which is the southernmost continent?
Oceans. The Earth is called Blue Planet because a large part of it is covered with water. A large water body which is bigger than a sea is known as an ocean. Oceans cover big areas. The waters of the oceans mix together. Each ocean contains partly smaller areas called seas. There are 5 major oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, while the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Oceans are useful for international trading because most of the goods are imported or exported through ships. Info Hive. It is believed that in the past all continents were joined. This singular landmass was called Pangaea. This broke into smaller pieces and formed 7 continents. Directions. There are four main cardinal points or main directions: east, west, north, and south on the map. The topmost part of a map is always the north direction. Directions help us to find places, and in reading the maps, the four main cardinal points are divided into another four intermediate directions. They are northeast, between the north and the east; northwest, between the north and the west; southeast, between the south and the east; southwest, between the south and the west. A compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. It has a magnetic needle which always points towards the north. Recap: a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Maps are flat drawings of the earth. Continents are large and continuous land masses on the earth. Oceans are very large water bodies. A compass helps us figure out the directions. Life skills. Krish, have you packed all the things necessary for your summer camp?
Yes, father.
Did you keep the compass too?
What is that?
Tells us about the directions.
Can you teach me how to use it?
Sure.
Always listen to your parents.
Values for life. Know your planet well. It is the place you are going to spend your lives in. If you are going to a new place, it is suggested that you always carry a map of that place. Help others if they have lost their way. Teachers' tips. Show a globe and map to the students. Teach them how to read a map to find directions in order to reach a destination.